just north of the village of Plaisance in Quebec. It's halfway between Ottawa and Montreal on the north shore of the Ottawa River, and I'm at the Plaisance waterfall. It's a nice little local park maintained by the local municipality. In the mid-19th century, there was a village here called North Nation Mills. There's 2 sawmills. And the village had about 300 inhabitants. And now there's nothing but a few stones to indicate the foundations of some of the buildings. It's a lovely place to visit, very close to the Chateau Montebello, where we're heading next.